don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit faze me.
What up, what up, what up, what up? We back with another one. Told y'all I don't really do the unboxing, but we have to start doing them, man. Nice quick come up today. See what we got. Go that to the side. That's right, the Jordan 11s. So retros, they brought these back out. These were, I think, originally came out in February of '96. And then Jordan, I think he wore them that in the All-Star game of '96. So, but another release, they just brought these back out. Check them out again. Boom, 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 boom. Good thing they did about it right here. So you know that if you something with the light right there. But if you got a pair of these, if you own a pair originally, you know that this part right here gets like yellow after a while. So you kind of got to wear it while you got them and wear them while you can. But something that they did update on it is that this is leather on here. Got your leather right there. Boom, boom, boom. This is still actual leather as well, but with like a patent leather finish to it. It's they're doing the 25th anniversary, so I think it's 25th anniversary of the actual shoe, the actual mid that came out, not 25th anniversary of the lows. But if you look inside the shoe here, let's see if we can get that. Boom, that's 25 right there to signify the 25th anniversary, which is different from the back where that's a 23, right? Boom. So you got that. You also got the bottom, the bottom sole, the translucent part right here, and then you also have your carbon fiber spring plate down there at the bottom right there. Boom, boom, boom. Still good to go. I love this. Nice little shoe all together. Comfortable. Not all Jordans are comfortable, but I think this is one of the ones that are actually comfortable to wear. Oh, and then the mid patch. Can't forget the little mid patch right here. I think that's what really sets the shoe off. That little, you throw that right there. It's already nice and clean. Then you throw that right there in the middle. So nice, quick come up, real quick unboxing. I just picked these up at Champ. So, like I said, they just retroed these. Just came back out, was able to cop a pair. So until the next time, which will be soon, because I got a couple more I got to show y'all. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. So you do a good spin. Look at that. That's where camera does it out. But, man, that's all I got for y'all right now. Real quick unboxing, man. Y'all be blessed.